Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crimson Crafts. This is Prerna and today I'm going to make this beautiful looking mandala art. So this is the first time I'm trying it guys and it was just amazing. So it is very relaxing if you try these, and let me tell you, it is a complete beginner friendly tutorial and I hope you all will like this. Without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, so for any kind of painting you need a base and a medium. Base means on which you will be doing the work and medium means through which you will be doing the work. So it becomes very simple. As a base I'm using MDF board. If you don't have one, you may use wood, plywood, round cut canvas or cardboard. I would not suggest you to use cardboard because the paint and the cardboard will not give the same effect as it is giving right now. But yes, this MDF board is from Little Birdie Itsy Bitsy. You may get it from the description box. The dimensions of this would be further visible in the video. Now the next thing that we'll be needing is white gesso. So this is how the white gesso looks. This is from Little Birdie Itsy Bitsy. You may also check out our other uploads on the channel. The next thing that we would require is a flathead brush. Then we would require some acrylic colors. The ones that I use frequently, I have 100 ml bottles. Apart from that, very common, the acrylic color kit. Then the next we would require is a palette. Palette is very important because we need depth of the color so that we can put it in the dot tools. And yes, the most important, dot tool. But if you don't have dot tools, still you can manage how. I would like you know further in this video. So these are the dimensions of the dot tools. So the smallest is 0.4 centimeter and the biggest is 1.7 centimeter. So accordingly you may see and adjust, and according to your size, space and your design color, whatever you are choosing, the mandala art may vary. So this is how I have planned it for reference. Even you may make such a chart. So these dot tools are also very easily available in the market, and if you are regular with this work, this is a very important component. So now yes, we are going to apply a coat of gesso on our surface. So the length is given, length 9 inches, breadth 9 inches and diameter is also 9 inches. So basically we need to apply black gesso, but I did not have black gesso. I only had white. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix white gesso and black acrylic color to get black gesso. If you don't have white gesso, the recipe is visible on the screen. You may make gesso at home itself. So that's the advantage of such items. You may easily make it with some things that is easily available. I have painted the base black, and these are the main colors we would be playing with, that is yellow, blue and white. So now I have done the pencil outlining. So later on when I complete the project, the pencil outlining will not be visible, so there is no problem. Whenever you're doing mandala art, two things matter, that is the color combination and the measurement. If you are proper with these two things, then your project will come out at its best. So I'm using light blue color. This I made by mixing blue, white and yellow in the required proportion. So now somewhere I just read that making mandala art brings peace at your home, brings harmony. Basically I don't believe in Vastu, but I saw it as I was scrolling some web page. So now here is my mandala art ready, and this is what you can see. It is looking so beautiful. The color combination has come so well, and we are gonna do the rest portion. One portion I have left so that I can just show it to all of you. Well, I just loved the design. Same, first I am doing aqua blue, then I am doing turquoise blue, then I am doing deep green blue or sea blue, then I am doing ultramarine blue, then I'm doing cerulean hue, and then I'm doing white. So it is very simple. You may just follow the design pattern as it is, or you may also change it. There are many ideas that you get in Pinterest. So it seems complicated, but when you work out with the measurement properly, it becomes very easy to make. And I would suggest you one thing, that when you are making a color shade, try to make it as much as you can, because the same kind of color shade does not come every time you make. So take a lot of color shade and try to complete it at one go, because acrylic colors dry and you cannot add water and bring it once again. So it is just looking beautiful. We would complete the whole design in the same process. So yes, it is done. Now we are going to do the design in the middle portion. So for that I am taking 1.7 centimeter dot tool and I am making such design. So here also I am playing with the different color shades. First I have taken the dark, then I am going towards light color shade. So now my design is almost complete. Now I'm going to just fill the empty portions with a few dots. I'm using white color here. So now we have to let it dry for almost 2-3 hours. So basically we have done dotting, so there must be a lot of color that may seem to you as dried, but yes, it would have not still dried. So before applying varnish, you should make sure that it has dried completely. So yes, our mandala art is ready now. It has completely dried and we are going to apply nice coats of varnish. Here I am using matte varnish because it is already glossy. This matte varnish I have got from Little Birdie Itsy Bitsy. So very important is that you have to let it dry for a long time, otherwise your colors may smudge. So yeah, this is how it looks. Though I have applied matte varnish, still it is so shiny, so beautiful. The design has come out very well and I am liking it very much. So as I told you before that I read, according to a Vastu, the mandala art keeps our soul fresh and it is very nice. It gives a lot of harmony in our family. So I'm going to hang it on my wall. If you try it out, let me know in the comment section. Do give this channel a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. Until the further video, happy crafting.